are going to learn how to draw circle in AutoCAD and circle different tools. Okay, here when you come to circle, you see center, comma, radian. Okay, so when you click here, you come here. When you see the center is there, this is center, then let's give the radian 500. Okay, enter. Your circle is created. So let's go for the next circle tool. We have center and diameter. Okay, center and diameter. So we click here. This is center, then the diameter. Let's give 1000. Enter. Right. So next one, you go to 2 points. Okay, 2 points. Mean this point to this point. Your circle is created. Next circle again, we come to 3 points. Okay, click here, here, and this one. So your circle is created. Or if you want, you can come to 3 point again, this point, and this point. Your circle is created. All right. So let's go for tan radian. Tan radian is tangent. Okay. So this is tangent, and radian. So we are going to click to create that one. You click here, tangent. You click here, tangent, and you give the radian 1000. Enter. You see, automatically you can see here this is tangent, and this is a radian. All right. Next one is tan. Okay. So the tan, it will be tangent, and tangent. Easily your circle is created. So this is how you can create circle, or you can create also the command of circle is C enter. Right, C enter. You can see here you have 3P mean 3 point, 2P mean 2 point, and TR mean tan radian. Okay, so you can click here and you come to use this one 2 point, and automatically you will see your circle is created. Right, so when you want to create circle in AutoCAD, this is a method that you can use to create your circle. Thank you so much for watching. I request you to subscribe, and we will learn more. I'm planning to make complete plan in AutoCAD, then you will follow. Stay on, and this platform is for learning. I encourage you to learn more with me. Thank you so much.